In this video, we'll look at different image sizing options in SuperControl and how they're used for your own website in our APIs and also for OTAs and channels. So in Admin, General Details, and down at the bottom we have a section here for property photos. We have two custom size options available to you. We recommend the full HD, Ultra HD or 4K specification 3840 pixels size. That is what is used by some of the channels, most of the channels, even though actually they may resize those photos. What they want is a full size, high resolution specification photo. So often this large photo is set to the same size. However, if you would like a slightly smaller, faster loading image for your own website, then you can change these settings and still will send the large photo to the channels. So to start with, I'm going to leave these settings like this. I have a photo here, which as you can see when I hover over it, is 4,500 pixels wide. We always recommend using landscape photos. Those are the ones which are used by channels and most suitable for displaying in most cases. So this is larger than that Ultra HD specification of 3840 pixels. So in my property page, I'm now going to upload that photo and pictures, save pictures, this one. So what SuperControl is doing now is processing that image and creating actually 3 or 4 different size options of that photo. And we do that so that you've got different options available for yourself and different options available for the channels. So here we've got our photo saved. The first thing you'll note here, we've got Ultra HD tag against this photo. So because this photo was at least 3840 pixels wide when we uploaded it, we have retained the Ultra HD version. This is the version which you can see here, 3840 pixels in size, is massive when I zoom in on it. And this is what we would use to send to channels. There are some other versions of this image. So if I manually type in the browser here, we've got our custom large, which is this photo, and it's also 3840 pixels. What I'm going to do now is delete this photo and change my settings here on general details, and I'm going to make this photo 1200, which is a more reasonable size for your own website, which gives faster loading time. Now I'm going to upload this photo again. This photo still is 4,500 pixels wide, so it's much bigger than the 1200 that I need. So when I upload this time, it again is processing and producing those multiple image sizes. But what we're going to do is keep, because the image is more than the Ultra HD size, we're going to keep that version and use that to distribute to channels. But also you'll have your own version used for your own website. So here's the Ultra HD version again. You can see in the top here, 3840 pixels wide. And if I go to custom large, you can see we now have a 1200 by 800 pixel version of this image, which is much smaller, but still a reasonably high resolution image for displaying on a website.